forced to come out. You could have decided to stay at home, but you chose to come and reaffirm what you have continued to say. So I thank all of you. I thank the elders of the party. I thank our mothers, our women, the youths, all of you that came out en masse for this primary election here in Ward 1. May God bless all of you in Jesus' name. And more importantly, for reaffirming the fact that you want me to fly the flag of the All Progressive Congress APC in the forthcoming 2027 general elections. This is Obio Federal Constituency, and the current holder of that office is the Honorable Kingsley Chinda, who, by the grace of God, is also contesting under the platform of the All Progressive Congress APC. So by next week, we will be coming out to vote again for the governorship. Those who have picked forms, and we know where we will vote. Don't we know where we will vote? When the time comes, we know what to do. But for today, you have affirmed your earlier decision, and by the special grace of God, and by your voting this morning, I have emerged as the winner for Ward 1. You know that as you are voting here now, people are voting in Ward 2, people are voting in Ward 3, people are voting in Ward 4, Ward 5, Ward 6, Ward 7, up to Ward 17 of Obio. The entire Obio is voting as we speak. So, but Ward 1 has just concluded, and this is my word. It's only important that I address my people. At the end of the primaries today, by the special grace of God, when I'm declared the winner, because I will be declared the winner. When I'm declared the winner, I will address Obio people at the end of the day. But for now, it's Ward 1. So I'm speaking to people of Ward 1. I'm so happy that we are all together. Those sent by the National Secretariat in Abuja, they are very close. We just got a call. The people who sent these people from Abuja, they said they want to come to Ward 1 and see people of Ward 1. So they are very close. So please don't leave so that we can receive them. Those that are coming from the National Secretariat.